Welcome to this comprehensive guide on video meeting tools for sales. In today's digital world, video conferencing has become essential for building strong customer relationships and closing deals effectively. Throughout this series, we'll explore the best platforms available, including Zoom and Microsoft Teams, along with powerful alternatives. We'll also cover proven strategies to help you master video sales conversations and maximize your success rate. Video communication offers 4 critical advantages for sales professionals. First, it builds trust. Face-to-face interaction, even through a screen, creates stronger personal connections and establishes credibility with your prospects far better than email or phone calls alone. Second, video enables better communication. Body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice convey important nuances that are impossible to capture in text or audio-only formats. Third, video meetings increase engagement. Prospects stay more focused and attentive during video calls, reducing wasted time on unproductive discussions. Finally, video delivers measurable results. Research consistently shows that video sales calls convert at 2 to 3 times higher rates than audio-only or text-based communication methods. Zoom is the world's most popular video conferencing platform, and for good reason. It delivers crystal-clear high-definition video quality at 1080 pixels, utilizing adaptive bitrate technology to maintain quality even on slower connections. Zoom's screen sharing feature allows you to present slides, documents, or live product demonstrations seamlessly, keeping your prospect engaged with visual content. The platform includes powerful recording capabilities, allowing you to record calls either locally to your computer or to the cloud for easy follow-up and sharing with stakeholders. Zoom also guarantees enterprise-grade reliability with 99.9% uptime, ensuring your critical sales calls happen without interruption. Microsoft Teams excels in enterprise environments where organizations already use Office 365. Teams seamlessly integrates with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote, allowing you to collaborate and share documents directly within your sales conversations. The platform unifies chat, file sharing, and video in a single workspace, eliminating the need to switch between multiple tools. Teams provides detailed meeting analytics that show you meeting duration, attendance records, and engagement metrics, helping you optimize your sales process. Additionally, Teams makes it effortless to invite external guests to meetings without requiring them to have a Teams account, reducing friction when meeting with prospects or clients outside your organization. Beyond Zoom and Teams, several strong alternatives serve different needs. Google Meet is completely free with any Gmail account and supports up to 100 participants with a 24-hour meeting limit, making it ideal for small team calls and budget-conscious organizations. It integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace and includes real-time caption generation for accessibility. Cisco WebEx is an enterprise platform known for exceptional security and encryption standards, making it preferred by organizations with strict data protection requirements. It offers virtual backgrounds and advanced noise cancellation technology. Jitsi Meet is an open-source and completely free alternative that requires no account creation or software download, prioritizing privacy for those concerned about data collection. Finally, GoToMeeting is specifically designed for sales teams, offering advanced recording options and integrated customer relationship management capabilities to streamline your sales workflow. Preparation separates successful sales calls from mediocre ones. Start with your technical setup. Test your camera, microphone, and internet connection beforehand. Use headphones or earbuds to prevent echo and ensure clear audio. Have a backup internet connection ready, such as a mobile hotspot, in case your primary connection fails. Next, prepare your professional environment. Choose a clean background free from clutter or distractions. Position your lighting so it illuminates your face evenly, ideally from in front of you rather than behind. Set your camera at eye level to create a natural, engaging appearance. Research your prospect thoroughly before the call. Review the company's background, the prospect's specific role and responsibilities, and any recent company news or achievements. This preparation demonstrates respect and allows you to tailor your pitch to their specific needs. Finally, prepare all your materials in advance. Have your presentation slides ready, test any product demos you plan to show, and organize any documents you might need to share. Know your presentation flow and practice it if possible. During your video sales call, focus on 4 key practices. First, maintain eye contact with the camera, not with your own image on screen or other windows. This simulates direct eye contact and builds genuine rapport with your prospect on the other end. Second, speak clearly and deliberately. Speak at a moderate pace, avoid industry jargon that your prospect may not understand, and pause regularly to invite questions and ensure your prospect is following along. Third, be mindful of your body language. Sit upright with good posture, smile naturally, and use hand gestures to emphasize key points and convey enthusiasm. Project confidence and genuine interest in solving the prospect's problems. Fourth, respect the time commitment. Start on time, cover your agenda items efficiently, and always leave adequate time at the end for the prospect to ask questions and express concerns. Respecting their schedule builds trust and demonstrates professionalism. When sharing your screen, follow important best practices. Do share only the specific windows or applications relevant to your discussion. Do use cursor highlighting or annotation tools to guide your prospect's attention to important areas. Do narrate everything you're showing in real time so your prospect understands what they're seeing and why it matters. Do ask permission before recording the screen or the call itself. Conversely, avoid sharing your entire desktop, as this exposes unnecessary applications, notifications, and personal information. Don't move through content too quickly. Give your prospect time to absorb what they're seeing before moving to the next screen. Avoid minimizing windows or switching between applications unexpectedly, as this is disorienting and breaks their focus. Never show sensitive data, passwords, or confidential information on screen, even if you think you'll delete it immediately. Treat screen sharing as a formal presentation, not a casual walkthrough. The period after your call is critical for maintaining momentum and moving the deal forward. Within 24 hours, send a thank you email. Recap the key discussion points you covered, list any action items you committed to, and clarify the next steps in your sales process. Include any promised materials, resources, or documents you discussed during the call. 2 to 3 days after the call, share the recording if you captured one. Provide a secure link to the video and include a transcript if available. This allows your prospect to review the conversation at their own pace and share the information with other decision makers in their organization who couldn't attend the original call. 1 week after the initial conversation, send a check-in message or schedule a brief follow-up call. Confirm that your prospect received all the materials you sent, answer any remaining questions they may have, and clarify the next stage in your sales process. Consistent, timely follow-up demonstrates your professionalism and commitment to solving their problem. Let's review the 4 essential takeaways from this video meeting tools series. First, choose the right tool for your needs. Zoom provides exceptional reliability and ease of use. Microsoft Teams excels for organizations already using Office 365. Consider alternative platforms if you have specific requirements around privacy, cost, or feature integration. Second, preparation is critical to your success. Test your technology, research your prospects thoroughly, and organize all your materials before the call begins. A well-prepared sales representative closes significantly more deals. Third, execution matters during the call itself. Maintain camera eye contact, speak clearly and deliberately, manage your body language, and always respect your prospect's time. These details build trust and credibility. Fourth, follow-up seals the deal. Send timely emails, share recordings, and maintain momentum through consistent post-call communication. Video meetings are essential for modern sales success. Master these tools and techniques to drive meaningful conversations and close more deals with confidence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.